Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. No video this morning. Hopefully I'll get this posted later tonight. But yes, no video this morning because the last 5 days I've been eating things in preparation for your favorite thing in the world and mine, colonoscopy, which I had this morning. So yesterday I had to drink all liquids, and then I had to drink the awful stuff to help clean you out. Finished that off this morning, and then I had the colonoscopy today. So boom, lots of fun. It is awesome getting older. I should have had it done years ago. But, you know, when everything feels fine and you think you're indestructible, you decide, hey, I don't need to go to the doctor. So this year I started going to the doctor again. And there you go. So colonoscopy, drink it fast and hope it doesn't come back up. Anyway, so we've got a 16 by 20. So we've got some iridescent white and Payne's gray and some level 3 Artist Loft Professional ultramarine blue. I try and pick this stuff up when it's on clearance. This is half price. Then we got some Prussian blue. Just for fun, we have some neon blacklight blue, and then I've got some very watery gold I'm going to throw in here, and then I'm finally gonna just do it and try using some of this unicorn spit. I don't know what it's gonna do. We'll see. But yes, just glad to be able to eat some solid food again. That's nice. But you got to do these medical things to make sure something's not wrong that you don't know about. So if having the lower extremities of my body scoped and looked at by a doctor to make sure that I don't have colon cancer or something, there we go. So don't be like Brian. Get all of your normal maintenance stuff done, you know. Go see your gynecologist, your whoever does mammograms. You know, get your moles checked out. You know, if you have moles, if you have a history of skin cancer, you know, get all that stuff checked out, because it'd be a whole lot cheaper and a whole lot easier to get it checked out before it's a problem, because then when it is a problem, it's a lot harder to deal with, and nobody wants to do that. Let me shut this light off. It's going to be in the way. There we go. There we go. Now we don't have weird overhead light. So we are going to use the floating traveling cup, which I haven't used for a while. So that means it's time to try it again. So we are just going to pour some color in here. We're just gonna kind of put just a little bit of white in between here, just for fun. Let's see how that goes. Oop. So hopefully everybody is doing well. No problems in your life. As far as work goes for me, I am about a week away from putting out toys. Oop. All right, so gotta push that down. Gotta be careful when you're doing the floating cup, unless you've got one that's heavy. You really need to push it down. Some people put extra paint around the outside of it to try and hold it down. Or sometimes you just really need to pay attention, which I am not doing because I'm talking. Because I know how much everybody loves to hear my handsome voice, my handsome Midwestern Wisconsin voice, which apparently is very recognizable. Darn it. Go on. It's okay that it's moving, but it'll make it difficult when I'm trying to move it over here to get some color over here too. So I also have not put any of the unicorn spit in yet. So that is the problem with talking and painting. Sometimes I just need to shut my yap and do this properly. Because even if it's lots of fun to watch me make mistakes and not swear, sometimes I should pay more attention. So, I also didn't put any of the gold in. Wow, I am just doing great today. Let's see. Let's try something weird. Oh, darn it. It's just gonna run off. Let's try this. Nope. Uh-oh, where did I put my gold? I didn't take it anywhere, so where did I put it? There it is. Ooh, okay. Not what I intended. Shoot. Well, this is going really well already, ladies and gentlemen. Let's stay. Sometimes it helps to have a little bit of just random paint sitting around that you can throw on here just in case you mess something up. Oh, that is not going to work. So along with the colonoscopy, they tell you after you're done to not operate heavy machinery, so you have to have somebody drive you home. But also it says not to make important decisions. Not sure what that is supposed to mean. If you're just, you're a little loopy, you shouldn't be making decisions. I don't know. So apparently I shouldn't be making important painting decisions either. But here I am, making them anyway. All right, let's pour a little bit more here. All right. Now, since I've already managed to waste a bunch of paint, okay. So hopefully, wow, that's a lot of gold. Ooh. Oh, so this is not turning out anything like what I wanted. So let's see how badly I can make this worse. Maybe I can't because I already don't care for it. So all right. So since this is currently looking like something I'm probably going to paint over, we'll just give the HairDryer a shot and see if we can make something out of this. Well, it's not perfect. There's a lot going on, but I like it a whole lot better. I'm glad I put silicone in it so that I could do this and that it maybe it looks like some sort of gold underwater something or other. I don't know what to call it. But anyway, don't be afraid to make that decision when you know something is very, very, very wrong, and just do something with it, and at least make something interesting that somebody might like on their wall. So anyway, thank you for watching me fail and then try and make something out of it. So learn from your mistakes, try something different. If nothing else, you can either scrape it or paint over it. So thanks for watching. Take care.